Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Talk Fluent English. Today, I want to talk about something that has the power to transform your life more than talent, more than luck, and even more than intelligence. That power is self-confidence. Let me ask you a question. How many opportunities have you missed because you doubted yourself? How many times did you stay silent when you wanted to speak? How many dreams have you delayed because you thought you weren't good enough? The truth is that most people don't fail because they lack ability. They fail because they lack belief in themselves. Self-confidence is not about thinking you're perfect. Self-confidence is about believing that you are capable of learning, growing, and succeeding despite your imperfections. Think about it. Every successful person you admire started as a beginner. Every expert was once inexperienced. Every champion was once an amateur. And every confident person was once uncertain. The difference is that they decided not to let fear control their future. Many people wait to feel confident before taking action. But confidence doesn't come before action. Confidence comes because of action. Let me repeat that. Confidence doesn't come before action. Confidence comes because of action. The first time you ride a bicycle, you're nervous. The first time you drive a car, you're afraid. The first time you speak English in public, your voice shakes. The first time you start a business, you worry about failure. But every time you take action, you gain experience. And every experience builds confidence. Confidence is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. The less you use it, the weaker it becomes. Many people spend their lives comparing themselves to others. They look at successful people and think, "She's better than me. He's smarter than me. I can never do that." But comparison is one of the biggest enemies of confidence. Remember this: someone else's success does not reduce your chances of success. There is room for everyone to grow. There is room for everyone to win. There is room for you too. The person you should compare yourself to is the person you were yesterday. Are you learning? Are you improving? Are you becoming stronger? If the answer is yes, then you're moving in the right direction. Another thing that destroys confidence is the fear of failure. Many people are so afraid of making mistakes that they never try anything new. But failure is not the opposite of success. Failure is part of success. Every successful entrepreneur has failed. Every great athlete has lost. Every famous speaker has made mistakes. Every successful student has struggled. Failure is not a sign that you're weak. Failure is proof that you're trying. And every failure teaches a lesson that success cannot teach. When a baby learns to walk, nobody expects perfection. The baby falls again and again, but eventually the baby learns to walk. Why? Because the baby never decides that falling means failure. The baby simply keeps trying. Imagine how powerful your life would become if you treated your goals the same way. Instead of saying, "I failed," say, "I learned." Instead of saying, "I can't," say, "I'm learning." Instead of saying, "I'm not good enough," say, "I'm getting better every day." Your words shape your mindset. Your mindset shapes your actions. And your actions shape your future. One of the most powerful ways to build confidence is to keep promises to yourself. If you say you'll wake up early, do it. If you say you'll study, do it. If you say you'll exercise, do it. If you say you'll practice English, do it. Every time you keep a promise to yourself, you send a message to your mind. I can trust myself. And trust in yourself is the foundation of confidence. Many people think confidence means never feeling afraid. That's not true. Even the most successful people feel fear. The difference is that confident people act despite their fear. Courage is not the absence of fear. Courage is moving forward even when fear is present. You don't need to eliminate fear. You need to stop obeying it. Think about the dreams you have. Maybe you want to speak fluent English. Maybe you want to start a business. Maybe you want to become financially successful. Maybe you want to inspire others. Maybe you want to change your life. Whatever your dream is, remember this. You don't need everyone's approval. You don't need everyone to believe in you. You only need to believe in yourself enough to take the next step. Some people will doubt you. Some people will criticize you. Some people will laugh at your goals. Let them. Their opinion is not your reality. The greatest achievements in history were accomplished by people who refused to listen to limitations. If you want extraordinary results, you must develop extraordinary belief in yourself. Confidence grows when you focus on your strengths instead of your weaknesses. Every person has unique talents. Every person has value. Every person has potential, including you. Never underestimate what you are capable of becoming. The version of yourself 5 years from now depends on the decisions you make today. Every book you read, every skill you learn, every challenge you overcome, every positive habit you build, all of it shapes your future, and confidence grows with every step forward. Here's something important to remember. You do not have to be perfect to be confident. Perfection is impossible. Progress is possible. Focus on progress. Get a little better every day. One conversation at a time. One lesson at a time. One goal at a time. One step at a time. Small improvements create extraordinary results over time. The strongest trees do not grow overnight. The tallest buildings are not built in a day. The greatest success stories are written one chapter at a time. Be patient with yourself. Trust the process. Keep moving forward. Whenever self-doubt appears, ask yourself this question. What would I do if I believed in myself completely? Then do that, because confidence is not magic. Confidence is a decision to believe in your potential, a decision to trust your ability to learn, a decision to keep going when things become difficult, a decision to rise after every setback. Today, I want you to make that decision. Stop waiting for confidence. Create it. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. Start now. Stop doubting your worth. Recognize your value. You are stronger than you think. You are more capable than you realize. You have survived challenges before. You have overcome obstacles before, and you can do it again. Believe in your dreams. Believe in your abilities. Believe in your future. Most importantly, believe in yourself. Because the moment you start believing in yourself, the world begins to see your potential too. Remember, your confidence determines how far you will go. Your mindset determines how high you will rise, and your actions determine what you will achieve. Stand tall, speak boldly, dream fearlessly, work relentlessly, and never let self-doubt steal the life you deserve. Thank you for listening. If this speech inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Talk Fluent English. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep believing in yourself. You can, you will, and you must never give up.